Hi everybody. Well, today you guys are going to we're going to start making our little engine. All right. We're going to start by making the cylinders first and then the parts of the piston ring. So what we're going to do by the end of class, and if you don't get it done for class, then you need to do it virtually. All right. You're going to make 2 of the cylinders. All right. That is with the large PVC little pipe that I gave you. And then you're also going to make the 2 little piston heads right here, and you'll be making that with the smaller one. Don't forget to put masking tape around them. First thing I want to point out is I highly recommend making one straight line going down both of them. I did it on that one right there, and then I have it on this one right here. For the small little piston ring, we want to make sure it does not need to be this large. So that's why I kind of made a little line where I wanted to start out for the top and the bottom of the piston ring. All right, so you're about 1/4 of an inch off the top of the PVC pipe and 1/4 of an inch off the bottom. So when you're done, it equals out to be about 3/4 of an inch to about an inch in our height right there, okay? So when you're using this, you're just simply gonna get your pen ready, choose the colors that you want. All right, and you're simply just going to start out by making a simple little line. Oops. Okay, you're going to start out by making a simple little line on one side of that black line. Then once you get your line there, you're just going to make a circle going all the way around. Take your time when you're doing this. You're going to get it all the way around to the other side. And we can always go back over it to make it look nice. The first time, you're just kind of trying to figure out where you're going with it. Make it all the way around to that black line. Stay off the line. Do not have your pieces connect. Go down to the bottom, and then you're simply going to go all the way back around again. Whoop! Got a little crooked trying to do this and watch the screen. All right. This is basically just our outline, and we're going to fill that in just a little bit. There we go. So I can go back over it and make it look nicer if I want. Now that I have my little outline in here, I am simply going to start going up and down, horizontal, and then I'm going to go vertical, going all the way around. Now, once you have the entire thing done, since we have the tape on there, it's real easy to peel off. Just pick up one corner and it'll come loose. All right. This is what it should look like when you're finished. But this is just a part of it. So you're just going to be going up and down and all around. And then we need to end up welding our 2 little pieces together. So an easy way to do that is with one hand, use your thumb and your pointer finger, hold it together, and then I simply turn it on. I'm going to start right here in the middle, and I'm just welding it. Just going to go back and forth once my plastic starts to come out. All right. I might be running a little low on plastic. I think I ran out. But anyways, you got the idea. You're just going to hold it there, go back and forth like that, flip it around, weld the other side. So when you're done, it should look like that. And you're going to do that to all of your pieces. So when you're done, for the next class, you need to have 2 cylinders and you need to have 2 piston rings. All right? If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email and I'm happy to help you out. Thanks.